guys, I'm Saion Gupta and I'm 11 years old. I'm the founder of 10xphotokids.com, and if you like this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today we are gonna learn some home automation. How can you do home automation, but a smaller version of it. So over here we will be able to do home automation, but this will be basically our LED, right? So this red LED will be considered as the home LED that we switch on and off, and this will be the button that is the switch for like turning on or turning off the home LEDs, and this will be controlled using an our application, like our web server. Using our web server, this will be controlled, and we will use web sockets also in this. And basically over here, this is gonna be quite cool home automation, as you have the Halonix app. If you have a smart bulb, you may be knowing that the Halonix app is used to automate at home. So if you press a button in your phone, it switches on the light of your home and all. So today we are gonna do something similar to this. So without any delay, let's get started. Damn! So over here, first of all, I'll show you the connections. So as you can see, this button over here is connected with GPIO 17, and our LED over here, its long leg, is connected with GPIO 4, right? The LED is then connected with a 330 ohms resistor, and that further is connected with the ground. Now let's go on to the button. We saw that it is connected with GPIO 17, and over here now it is connected. This is the power supply. The red wire is giving it power, right? 3 volts power, I suppose. Let me just check. No, it's 5 volts power. So the button is now getting 5 volts power, and then we are connecting a 330 ohms resistor, and that is further connected with the ground. So these were the connections you needed, and let's start automating our home with some code and making a web application. So basically, let's move on to the code. Damn!